What's the meaning of animal control officer? Animal control officer. Animal control officer. Animal control officer. Animal control officer. Animal control officer.
An animal control officer is someone responsible for enforcing laws and regulations related to the treatment of animals. They work to protect both animals and humans by addressing issues such as animal abuse, neglect, and abandonment, as well as managing stray or dangerous animals. Animal control officers may also provide education to the public about responsible pet ownership and animal welfare. Their duties can include responding to reports of animal-related incidents, capturing and transporting animals, and investigating cases of animal cruelty or illegal animal activities. Overall, their goal is to promote the safety and well-being of both animals and people.